A 2024 Honda Accord, we're gonna reset the low tire light, or the TPMS light, okay? It's really simple. You're gonna use a scrolling button right here to go through the menus right here in the gauge cluster. So you can go up and down through here. And what you're looking for is settings, okay? Vehicle settings. Press the wheel button in, that's enter. And if you go through here, it popped up right away. It says TPMS calibration. You might have to scroll forward a little bit. If yours doesn't pop up right away, press enter right here. Calibrate is what we're looking for, okay? And what you're gonna do is go drive the car real quick, and you'll notice that the tire light will turn right off, and it'll calibrate the new tire pressure. So you wanna make sure that you have the correct tire pressure into the tires before you do this, okay? Depending on what you want it at, or you can look at the card that's on the door, okay? And they'll tell you exactly what the pressure needs to be. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave me a comment if you could, and hope to see you again in another Honda video.